Have you ever had the impression that banks treat you like a fiddle for every little thing? Monthly maintenance costs, charges from ATMs, and unexpected overdrafts can quickly add up to a significant amount. In this day and age of financial apps and challenger banks, you might be wondering whether or not there is such a thing as a bank account that is completely free of charge. Hold on to your hats, because today we are going to take a deep dive into Axos Bank, which is a contender in the game of free banking. But before we get started, let's take a moment to look back. The traditional banking blues. For decades, traditional banks have been the go-to for managing our finances. They offered security, stability, and, well, fees. Lots of fees. We all know the feeling, that sinking dread when you see a surprise charge on your account statement. These fees can be a major burden, especially for young adults, students, or anyone on a tight budget. Every dollar counts, and banks taking a chunk out of your hard-earned cash can feel unfair. The rise of the fintech revolution. Thankfully, the financial landscape is changing. The rise of fintech, or financial technology, has brought fresh players to the scene. These new-age banks, often online-only, are challenging the status quo with innovative features and, most importantly for many, the promise of fee-free banking. Axos Bank is one such challenger. So, let's get down to business. Is Axos Bank truly free? Axos Bank, unveiling the free features. Axos Bank boasts a variety of checking accounts, with the aptly named Essential Checking being their free option. Here's what makes it, well, essential. No monthly maintenance fees. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's a major perk. Traditional banks often charge a monthly fee just for the privilege of having an account. Axos cuts out this annoyance, saving you money right off the bat. No minimum balance requirements. Remember the scramble to keep a certain amount in your account to avoid fees? Axos eliminates this stress. There's no minimum balance needed to keep your essential checking account active. Free debit card. This might seem basic, but some banks charge for debit cards. Axos provides one for free, allowing you to access your funds conveniently. Free ATM fee reimbursement, up to a limit. Using an out-of-network ATM can be a pain, especially with hefty fees attached. Axos reimburses you for up to $8 per month in domestic ATM fees, offering some relief from unexpected charges. No overdraft or non-sufficient funds, NSF, fees. Overdrafts happen. But the outrageously high fees they often incur can be crippling. Axos thankfully doesn't charge overdraft or NSF fees, saving you from a potential financial spiral. Free banking is great, but what else does Axos offer? Here are some additional features to consider. Mobile app. Manage your finances on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. Check your balance, transfer funds, and deposit checks, all from your smartphone. High-yield savings account option. If you're looking to grow your savings, Axos offers a high-yield savings account with a competitive interest rate. This can help you earn more on your money compared to traditional savings accounts. Is Axos Bank perfect? A few caveats. While Axos Bank offers a compelling free checking option, it's important to consider some potential drawbacks. Limited branch network. As an online-only bank, Axos has no physical branches. This might be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person banking services. Customer service. Reviews on customer service experiences can vary. It's always a good idea to research and compare before making a decision. Certain fees may apply. While the essential checking boasts no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, there might be other fees for specific services, like wire transfers or international transactions. Be sure to check their fee schedule for details. The verdict. Is Axos Bank right for you? Ultimately, whether Axos Bank is a good fit depends on your individual needs. If you value a no-frills, fee-free banking experience and prioritize online convenience, Axos could be a great option. However, if you require frequent in-person banking services or prefer a more established bank with a wider branch network, you might want to explore other options.